that you get the whole story on this vehicle. The Pontiac Aztek is an innovative crossover vehicle that combines the best attributes of a mid-size sedan, a van, and sport utility. It is designed to give young, active people an aggressively styled, technologically advanced sport recreation vehicle. It provides versatility and flexibility to help manage their active lifestyles, and it is purely Pontiac. So what I'd like to do now is invite Aztek's chief designer, Tom Peters, to come up here for a minute and provide you some of the insight behind this exciting new concept. Tom?
Really suggests a look more akin to a motorcycle. Now this structural theme has a look of titanium, which creates a very bold visual and a tactile contrast. The center console can slide fore and aft, so it can be used by either front or rear passengers. Music and videos are provided by a Pioneer DVD with LCD screens. There's one in the IP and another in the overhead console for the rear passenger. Now the rear compartment really highlights the functionality of this design. And when you come up later for a closer look, notice the low floor height and how much room there is back there. The interior height and the flat floor allow for a wide variety of gears, such as you can...
I don't know. I haven't been flying one.